it's just so good to see them all. I mean, it's so funny how time just flies and...
Yeah. It's been a while.
Hey, you ready to get home? Or, do you want to keep going and...
Maybe. But not like that. Or we should do something. There's no one at home waiting for me.
Yeah, look, I heard. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Breakups are shit. It's much easier being the dumper than the dumpee.
Well, hey, why don't you come back to mine and I'll show you that record I was talking about at dinner? Or play?
Well, you tell me. Show or play?
Show or tell. So, you couldn't look at her, because then she would ask you. And you couldn't not look at her, because then, she would ask you. So you had to sort of look into the middle distance and hope that she wasn't going to ask you. And didn't you hate when they would make you stand in front of the entire class and, it's just, oh. Oh, and I used to hate swimming sports at school. Like, hate. Okay, well, hate's a strong word. I used to really, really dislike swimming sports. So I would go in and say, I'm so sorry, but I've got my period. And they can't, it always works because they can't check and they can't force you to swim. This is it.
Oh yeah, maybe. And I could do a water.
Really? Do a waiter? Well, you'll have to wait, the tap's broken.
So I got this friend who's sort of dabbling in internet dating. Yeah, he's had a few bites. Doing pretty well. Met a few. Do you know much about it? Would you do it?
I don't know, it's kind of difficult to say. I guess you could try it. It's just kind of whether you're going to meet a whole load of weirdos and freaks, really.